Welcome to RoboBrief, 3 robotics stories you need today. First up, humanoid production hit a new gear in China. EngineAI cut the ribbon on its Honghualing intelligent manufacturing base in Shenzhen, and the headline is wild. The line is built to roll a new T800 or PM01 humanoid off the floor every 15 minutes. Every unit clears 79 quality checks and 46 simulated working condition tests before it ships. The target this year alone is 4,000 to 5,000 units, scaling toward a 10,000 level annual capacity, backed by Apple supplier Luxshare Precision and a fresh $200 million Series B. The T800 is moving from showroom to assembly line. Next, NASA finally put names and dollars on its lunar moon base. At a Washington briefing on May 26th, NASA awarded the first crewed lunar rover and lander contracts. Astrolab gets $219 million for CLV-1, a roughly 2,000-pound crew rover that hits over 6 miles an hour on the lunar surface. Lunar Outpost wins $220 million for Pegasus, capable of manual, autonomous, or teleoperated driving above 9 miles an hour. Blue Origin lands an initial $188 million plus a $280 million option to deliver both rovers using its Blue Moon Mark I endurance lander. Moonbase 1 targets a fall touchdown on the Shackleton Connecting Ridge. Story 3. State Grid Corporation of China is about to deploy a robot army on the world's largest power grid. The utility set aside roughly $1 billion to acquire about 8,500 AI-powered robots in 2026. Around 5,000 are quadruped robot dogs that will patrol transmission lines and inspect substations across remote mountain terrain. 3,000 dual-arm wheeled robots plus humanoids will handle ultra-high voltage maintenance too dangerous for human crews. State Grid is sourcing from Unitree, Deep Robotics, Agibot, Ubitech, and Fourier Intelligence, and calling this deployment year 1 for embodied AI on the grid. That's your briefing. Want the daily robotics rundown in your inbox? Subscribe and check out robobrief.tech. See you tomorrow.